If you were taught to cup your hands when swimming freestyle, pay attention to this video because I'm going to give you a slight correction that will dramatically affect your freestyle technique. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the SWIMVICE channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's video is a quick tip on how to feel more comfortable when swimming freestyle. It has everything to do with your hands. Now, before I get started, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new and exciting content weekly, and you show your support for the channel. Okay swimmers, so before going through the video demonstrations, first I'm going to explain why relaxing your hands is much more beneficial than physically cupping them. First, by relaxing your hands, your fingertips are naturally spread slightly apart, creating a bigger paddle. Now, water is thick, so it creates a web between your fingers, which overall increases the surface area of your hand if you think of it as a paddle. But most importantly, it helps increase your range of motion. It allows for a wider arm movement range, which is essential for efficient freestyle technique. Also, it provides a better feel of the catch, which facilitates the feeling of the catch from the lats and core versus independently from your deltoid muscle. Overall, having a relaxed, slightly spread fingertips optimized for power and efficiency in your freestyle swimming. So I'm going to show you in a few of these demonstrations how that works and also what happens when you manipulate by cupping your hands and feeling the difference. When swimming freestyle, you want to prioritize relaxing your arms and most importantly your hands. This provides a better feel of the catch and overall will help you feel more relaxed and much more efficient. Right here you can see my right hand is slightly spread apart. It's still toned. It's not manipulating by spreading the fingertips too wide, but it's just slightly, and it's due to just relaxing the hand itself, which prioritizes the tension towards the center of my body. This will overall help you feel much more streamlined. You will also feel a better glide. Also, by relaxing the hand in this position, it eliminates any lateral movements from my head position because there's no tension in my extremities. However, if you decide to have more tension in your hands, that tension will gravitate away from the center of your body, which can overall skew your body position and also make it much harder and much more tiring. As you see here, again with my left hand, it is slightly spread apart. Most importantly, it is just relaxed. So by taking the tension away from the hands, focusing more internally, allows the hand to relax in this state, creating a web in between my fingertips, which overall creates a better paddle if you would like to think of it that way. However, just by relaxing the hand itself, it completely takes the tension away from the shoulders, takes the stress off the shoulders, and you're able to move with much more fluidity. As I mentioned earlier, you also get a better feel of your catch by relaxing your hand. Once you relax your hand, you actually are able to feel the catch from your back and your core versus independently from your shoulder. So right here you can see my hand is relaxed. Overall, my arm is hugging a imaginary ball of water, which is formed from my back. My elbow has not dropped. By keeping the elbow up high is due to relaxing the hand, which overall helps you get and form a better hold or catch in the water versus the hand being tense, the elbow dropping, and physically pulling back from your deltoid muscle. This is where you feel pain from your shoulder versus full control from your back. Here from the above view, you can still see the same relaxation in my fingertips, slowed it down. And you can also see right about here that the palm and fingertips are relaxed, which still you're able to extend just fine. It's just not overdone. And due to that, you're able to move freely and also increase the range of motion of your high side arm. So there's multiple benefits to just relaxing the hands and allowing yourself to move easier through the water and ultimately allow the water to work with you. So you want to think less resistance, you're better off. Even with breathing, by relaxing the hand, forces you not to stabilize off the arm or hand itself, versus you actually stabilize from the center of your body, which is much easier and a lot less tension without putting stress on your shoulder independently. This will also keep you streamlined with less interruption when you breathe, and overall your breath will feel the same as it does when you breathe or when you don't breathe, which is the ultimate objective. It should not feel any different. You should feel a continuous glide moving forward, all from taking the tension away from your hand. Now in this video demonstration, I am purposely cupping my hands, and you can see here that my freestyle is rigid. I'm cupping my right hand, and if you practice this for a few strokes, you'll immediately feel how rigid and uncomfortable and also more work it is to move with cupped hands. Yes, you might feel some resistance with the arm or the hand, but overall it just feels very tense and rigid and not fluid at all. Once you try that, open up and relax the hands immediately after and feel how much different and how much better it feels to relax the hand. As you see here, same position, but my hand is relaxed. I'm still able to get great range of motion, but also it does not feel rigid. It feels very relaxed. I can actually feel a glide, and it overall just feels so much better to swim this way. So the next time you go to the pool, try a 25 where you just take a few strokes, maybe 5 or 6, where you completely cup your hands with tension. And right after, take the tension away immediately and feel the difference in your own freestyle. I promise you it's going to feel better. And when you practice this, be sure to let me know how it goes in the comments below. Now remember, swimmers, freestyle should feel light, smooth, cruising. It should not feel like a crazy amount of work. Okay, swimmers, that's it for today's quick tip video on freestyle. Now, if you are serious about improving your freestyle technique to not only swim faster, efficient, but also injury-free, hit the pinned comments below and access my SWIMVICE program today. You will also have access to other video courses within the platform and so much more. And lastly, if you go to swimvice.com, I have also more resources to help with your swim training. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.